replacement parts for the Ray-Ban Aviator. We get that question every day. Do we have the parts? Absolutely. Let's go over what we can do to help you with your Ray-Ban Aviators. So as far as the Ray-Ban Aviator is concerned, we do get requests, can we replace parts? Absolutely. The two most common, A, the lenses. What kind of lens? This is a Ray-Ban polarized lens. You can see by the letter P. We also carry the ones that are not polarized. So if you need to know what kind of lens you have, just look on the upper outside part of the right lens. If the word Ray-Ban is followed by the letter P, they're polarized. If not, they are non-polarized. Also, the replacement of the temples. This is what is called a standard paddle temple. A lot of times we get a request for the ones that people say go behind the ears. This is called a cable temple, and we can change those out. It's very easy. There's one screw, those come out, and we put the cable temple on. So again, at AmericanEyeglassRepair.com is the place to go to. If you need replacement parts for your Ray-Ban Aviator frames, please contact us. We'd love to help you.